but that's sold off.
It's going to be demonstration for?
Demonstration for pigs.
Oh, it's for the big.
So they are going to bring.
They have been sold off.
Yes, so they are going to.
Piggery demonstration units.
For Piggery, here they demonstrate Piggery IMO, where you raise pigs without smell. They don't smell, they don't make a lot of noise.
Oh.
And they are in a very clean environment.
How do we stop them from making a lot of noise?
You know, when it is because of the environment actually. When you keep them on concrete, that concrete try to hinder their homes.
Yes, and that's why they keep making noise.
Yes.
Oh, we thought it's their nature to make noise. But when they don't cry.
The other side, there are very many the other side, but you've not heard about noise.
Really?
The other side where we didn't allow you to reach.
Where where you're rearing the hens?
The pigs. The other side. No, we have another unit for pigs.
Oh.
Where we don't allow
People to reach. Yeah? So these units are for pigs, but they are not in. They've been sold off. Apparently, they make zero noise. Birds, eh? So this one looks like it's for birds. From down there, oh, they are out because I'm seeing bird droppings, meaning they've been here. They've been here. I'm seeing the bird droppings down, so I think they are not at all.
And they have a very good diet.
So the cows did not survive Christmas, just like the pigs.